Hello, this is James with the DingStinger Asset Protection System. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the backend database associated with the license of your DingStinger Asset Protection System. You will receive this card to register the backend. You will enter your email, username, create a password, enter the address, phone number, and the business type associated with your business. Once you have this information, you will click Register. Once you have registered, you will be brought to your custom backend. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the settings screen. Here, you can choose between light mode and dark mode. This is where you will enter your custom logo for your business. This will take you to a card that you will enter your company information, the company name, the website, and where to place the file for your custom logo. If your logo is round, you can choose 400 by 400 pixels, or if your logo is rectangular, you can use 140 by 40 pixels. Place the file here and hit Reset. This is where your logo will appear. It will also appear on all of the mobile applications that are sent out to your clients. This dashboard is set to be extremely user-friendly. This is a list of pending estimates, completed estimates, and adding clients. When you go to the Add Client screen, you will be brought to this card. Enter the client's name, their email address, and their phone number, and flip any switch that may be associated with any damage on their vehicle, and then click Register. This is the licensee area. This is where your information will be stored, and your special license key number will be listed here. This will bring you to the vehicles that your customers have done vehicle condition reports and stored them in the backend system. You will be able to go to each of these individual vehicle condition reports and see notes, insurance information, VIN number, and all photos associated with any damage on the customer's vehicle. You will have exterior images, the required four-corner shot, license plate, and odometer photos, and also any weather-related damage photos. There is also a timeline at the bottom of each vehicle condition report to show you if any estimates have been requested and any damages that the customer may be looking to have repaired. On the left-hand side is also a messaging center. You will be able to form groups, enter a message name, a subject, and choose which group of clients that you would like to send messages to for offers or any maintenance reminders. This is your client list. This is all of your customers that have been sent information for a mobile application to do their very own vehicle condition reporting, which also has a marketplace access within it. Please see our video on mobile application use of marketplace. This is the marketplace on the left-hand side, where you can choose any of a number of associated businesses that you will be referring your clients to for any mechanical, tires, services that they may need on their vehicle. You can register each one of your marketplace partners in the registration section. enter their company name, their email address, their phone number, and which category that they will be supplying services to your clients. Click Register, and then they will be registered within the back end for referrals within the mobile application. This is Documents. This is where you can upload documents for your clients when they receive service or repairs from your facility. The Calendar is a Google Calendar. This is where you will register to be able to set up for client appointments with your business. And then this is where you'll log out or log back in to your back-end system. Thank you for watching the DingStinger Asset Protection How to Use the Backend Database.